Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your first dripping bucket for your bird bath. So dripping buckets are pretty hard to make right from the first time, mainly because there's so much that could go wrong. You could make the hole too big with your nail, you could have a container that's too small and drips out too fast, you could have a container that doesn't have a handle and doesn't hang in the tree. You could have a spot that doesn't have a big enough branch to hold your dripping bucket. There's all these problems that you just have to deal with when it comes to a dripping bucket, and that's been one of the limiting factors for me making this video, even though I know a lot of people would love about how to make a DIY dripping bucket. So this one, as you see here, already has a hole in it. The problem is that when I made the nail hole, it was too big, and so I had to shove several sticks in there because, you know, every time you shove a stick in there, the hole gets bigger. I had to shove several sticks in there until I got the dripping effect we're looking for. The problem is that this one doesn't have a hanger of any sort, so I'm gonna have to do like a rope or something to get it to hang up. This bird bath is gonna get some rocks in it. I know it looks dirty because it's rainwater, but in my opinion, if I had to set up my first dripping bucket, I would use a large watering can like the one over my bird bath with already a crack in it, or make a crack in it, because it's already dripping just how you want it. You don't have to make it with nail holes, which may be too big. It already has a handle to hang it with. So in that case, all you need is a nice sturdy branch to hang it from. And there you have it, a DIY dripping bucket. To make beautiful sounds, to attract more birds. You're definitely gonna have to do a little bit of experimentation because everybody's materials are gonna be different. And I'm sure something will work after a little bit of experimentation. As you saw yourself, I first mounted it on this branch, but this branch turned out to be too weak for the amount of water I was trying to have in this container. My only regret with this dripping bucket is not getting a long rope, because otherwise I could have done a double knot, not just the thing surrounding the mouth of the bucket. I had to do a double rope so it doesn't slip off, but I could have also done a double rope on the branch itself to make sure that even during storms this won't fall off and into the bath. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and like.